also you see in here, there's no hot water tank, right? So because of your boiler, what's the main difference between using a boiler like this where you have...
Yeah, so this is on-demand hot water heater basically. Every time you need water, you open the tap, it goes through the heat exchanger, it hits the water, and the water comes out.
So you basically have endless supply of hot water.
If you had those old style bulky, then if it's, let's say, 3 people or 3, showering at the same time, the water runs out, you're done. You have to wait till it fills, it gets warm.
Right.
In this case, it's constantly heating and it just produces
So it just keeps making as much hot water as you
want. That's obviously much more convenient and it's cost effective. Look, 95% efficiency.
So pretty good.
Yes.